Hey guys, welcome to Lima, Peru, mi casa. I've been traveling quite a bit and this is long overdue, so I'll give you a little house tour. This is a big house. It's an old house. I have 8 bedrooms. There's a lot of nuances, a lot of upgrades that still need to be done. Like I mentioned, it's an old house, but it's all about location. Location. So before we go to the house, I have a guest house here and my scooter. I take this to the bodegas, the local grocery stores, stuff like that, do my errands. A guest house, guest room, I guess you'd call it. It's a queen bed. I built this bed frame as well as several others myself. Then I got a desk and a little bathroom there. All right, let's go to the inside the house. All right, first we'll go upstairs. I got 4 bedrooms upstairs. We'll start off back here. This is another queen bed. This used to be like a back porch area. So this is drywall and this is concrete. And then it oversees the garden here. So we built around this and put a roof over this to make it another bedroom. All right, let's move on. Master bathroom. Nothing special. And then back here, we've got this is a decently sized bedroom. And I've got these pull-out mattresses here. I used to have bunk beds on this, but it was a little claustrophobic, so I got rid of those. This is the first piece of art and the only piece of art that I bought. I bought it right before the pandemic started. Portrays Parque de Kennedy. It's one of the major parks here in Miraflores. And that was the first park that I saw when I got here to Lima. So that brings me a lot of good memories. We've got the ocean view rooms. This is a little chill out area. I have the camera setting for indoors. So what you're gonna see behind me is gonna be blown out. I have to adjust the camera for the outdoors, and then you can't see the indoors if I do that. So I'll just save the outdoor viewing for the rooftop terrace. So let's go in here first. This is a king bed. I got a TV behind there, Netflix and chill. I've got these hammocks in every room just to kind of be unique, and that doesn't take up any space for furniture. And they're detachable, so it's kind of convenient. Yeah, the best thing about this room is the ocean view and the little balcony area here, which you can't see very well. And then this was considered the master bedroom. Bed, and I got 2 mattresses that pull out here. One on this side, one on that side. Nice big closet. And then you want to spin around, look at the entertainment center. Very nice. All right, I got these Christmas lights here. If I have them on, they emit a frequency that messes with the camera. so I have them off for that reason. And yep, those are the bedrooms upstairs. Let's move on to the rest of downstairs, and then we'll go to the roof. I designed this myself. Lighting is important, it really affects the mood. All right, I got a bathroom here, a baño. This is when you know it's an old house, whenever there's 2 staircases. So this house was built over 100 years ago, but this is meant to be for the maid, and then the main staircase is meant to be for the family. All right, kitchen's a little messy. It's a small kitchen. But yep, it's a kitchen. I brought my blender from the States, my NutriBullet, and I have to use a step-down converter because they use 240 volts here, where we use 120 volts in the States. So if I plug this in to the normal power, it would not be good. So you gotta have these little step-down converters to plug in appliances like that. All right, I got the smallest bedroom here. This is for my maid. I have a full-time servant, as you can see very well. Yeah, it's a little teeny tiny room. And then we got a bathroom here. And then I've got the garden. Let's cut through the kitchen because I missed a room. And then we'll go to the garden. All right. So this used to be my bedroom. And this also used to be a garage. So I laid down some tile, I sealed off the door there, put some cool LED lights up, and now this is just a guest room. And now I'll show you my bedroom. Let's move on. This is kind of like a commons area. And then I put these French doors up here. And I built that wall. And because this used to be like the dining room, so I turned it into a bedroom. This is my workstation. I spend most of my time here working and recruiting and making videos. I got my guitar here. I broke my 6th string a couple days ago. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I was jamming out too hard. All right, enough of that. All right, what else? I got a chimenea, little fireplace. It does get, I wouldn't say cold, I would say chilly. It's summertime right now. We're the beginning of February. Super Bowl is yesterday. So it's pretty hot out. Winter time, I think July or August is the coldest. It'll get down to like 50 degrees, so it's really not that bad, but it's perfect for fireplace. All right, moving on. Let me adjust the camera for outdoors. All right, we got the garden. I've had some pretty big parties out here. I've had my Halloween party. I've had my birthday party. And I just celebrated my 1-year anniversary party, so I had a party for that, but I didn't film anything. I wanted to just kind of enjoy it. So, yeah, I work out here. I bring my weights, lift weights, and exercise, and have parties. All right, let's go up to the best part, which is the rooftop. This was not here when I got the house in August 2020. So the roof was full of junk and garbage and was not in any kind of usable condition. So I recognized an opportunity and I built this staircase and everything that you're about to see. Let's go up. All right, we got the drone. Let's go to the roof and catch the sunset. Wow, perfect. This is what it's all about. This is why we do this. Amazing. This never gets old. Here, let me take the camera. Gracias. Amazing. Over here is, I don't know if you can see that well. Off in the distance is the Pimiento Islands. Back behind those bigger islands, there's some smaller islands where I filmed some sea lions a couple months ago, back in November. And then to the left there is Charillos. It's not an island, but it looks like it. And that's the Pacific Ocean. I love the sunrises in Miami from the Atlantic, but nothing beats a Pacific sunset. I prefer this much better. And what's nice about this is we're elevated. So the beach is about 400 feet below of where we are now. So we're up like on the bluff. So it creates a horizon so you can see a lot more ocean. And yeah, it's pretty breathtaking. All right, and I got this little, so before I got this house in August 2020, this was all unused. The roof was trashed. As soon as I saw this place, I saw this as an opportunity to build something here, to design something. So I have a crew come in and lay concrete and put some piping in for a kitchen. I'll eventually get a refrigerator up here, and I got to build something to protect it because the salt water from the ocean will oxidize all the metal. And then back here is a big water tank for our fresh water. And then I got a bathroom in here. And so it's 2 flights of stairs to get on the roof. This is like the 3rd floor. So I didn't want to have people come up and down to use the bathroom. So I just had one made here. Still a lot of work needs to be done. I'm gonna put a mirror here, maybe some shelving, probably some shelving here. And but everything works. We got a individual hot water tank up here for hot water. And it's got a good water pressure. And then we had to travel about 3 hours south of Lima to get the bamboo. And so I want kind of like a tropical theme. And then sunset. All right, let's take the drone up. I've never crashed my drone until I moved to Peru. I've crashed it multiple times here. So, this shouldn't be too difficult. We're just flying over the ocean. All right, that's the expat lifestyle. Hope to see you soon, and we'll catch you on the flip side.